Whenever you pour paint directly out of a can, it always creates a bit of a mess, right? It gets into the rim and dries into little crusty bits, or it winds up dripping down the side of the can. So here's how to avoid that. And all you need is a roll of tape. This happens to be painter's tape. Make sure it's at least 1.5 inches or 2 inches wide. Tear off a piece, maybe 8 or 9 inches long, and stick it to the edge of the rim, just like that. I'm gonna press it on really tightly. And this is important too. You wanna make sure it extends 1 inch or 2 past the rim of the can. Take another piece about the same length, and again, stick it down 1 inch or so. Just press it down. Then these little tabs you want to fold under, and that creates a little bit of a spout, right? All right, so I'm going to pour it right into this little roller tray I have here. We'll pour some in. Only need a little bit. I'm just doing a little bit of a touch-up. Okay. I'm just going to get that dripping paint off, just like that. And now, when you pull this off, you have a nice, clean rim.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.